Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Lily Fashion Icon.
Sinungaling!
So ito guys is yung kapote, disposable kapote ata to guys. So i-unbox natin guys kung legit sa seller o hindi. So guys, legit sa seller guys. Ito yung disposable na kapote. Thank you for watching.